Hello everybody, this is Hans talking about the Hanzo from yesterday, Monday the 30th of September. As you can see on the time here, we are 5 seconds before it's happening, so let's have a look. We assumed, or actually BT assumed, that we could go down first and then going up. That's exactly what happened, but the down move was bigger than we expected it. It was over 100 pip move, and I just speed that up a little bit so we don't stay too long, and then we see what's happening with the Hanzo move. So first of all, I stopped that here. No, hang on. Here I'm going to stop it. Now somebody could say, okay, the Hanzo move is happening right now, as we saw in the last days. It could happen right after the opening bell move. And if you look at it here, it actually could be, because we broke the 1 hour, we broke the 4 hour, we are actually going off the 8 hour BB, and so it could be it. But my problem here was also because we had a green Renko, right? But we had that signal here, but that's nothing really, and here there is nothing, and here and because of that here, minus 14, I did not even attempt that, and this is what I want to say about that. So let's continue with the opening bell move. It goes much further down. So you see here, the mom is getting even stronger, and it will show us another time of maybe this could be the Hanzo, but we have a very strong, so that one here. So somebody could say, okay, then this is it, second attempt. Here's the same situation. We broke everything here. Now we even further down on the 4 hour. Definitely we on the 8 hour, or almost broke the 8 hour. So this could be it. But look at that here, the mom's here and the mom's here. Here there is no change. We're still in minus, and here we're still in plus. So this is not the Hanzo really. It's not ready yet. It gives us actually 3 times, or in the 3rd time, it would be the correct attempt to take the Hanzo, and Lad took it, and I will show you also MT took it in the second part of the Hanzo. Now watch this here and watch this here, okay? Speed it up a little bit. So I stop here. Now look, now we have a plus, a mom in the plus 2. It's little, but it's there. We have a second yellow on the HA, and we have another Renko here. So this one was not the Hanzo, this one was not the Hanzo, because this was still in minus, and the DAX was in green, yeah? So, but this one here now, this is the attempt we can take. Now look at that, we broke the 8 hour completely with a wick. Here we had that 4 hour. This one did its job, it broke everything else, and we're almost on the daily orange line. Almost, that means not really, but at the moment we're talking about the Hanzo. So I attempt that one. I took 60 actually on that attempt here, and as far as I could see here, V-Boy took the 50 down. Nice V-Boy. And also BT took 30 down, but I'm talking about the Hanzo, and I speed that up a little bit. Now we're going up, and then it comes down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. I stayed in because I knew there is more to it, because we broke the 8 hour, right? And we broke the 4 hour. So there is more than just 50 pips. So it comes down a little bit. And now when we get up, this is the moment when MT here, I think, here, MT got in here. And also La took that one, as far as I'm concerned. And let's see how much it will give us. This time it will only go to the 5 OL or close to the 5 OL, because we still have here those signals and they will keep us down. There is no more further up because there is no any other up signals, right? So this Hanzo goes maximum to the 5 OL. We had that before also, and that will be also on here on the HA orange line. Go up a little bit more. That goes up until 540 actually, and then I stopped here. Yeah, there it is, but I let it run so you can see, because from there we're going down again. So 540 was the moment here. This is the moment when you stop, because here it has stopped the flushing the mums. We had 7 minutes after the OB, and 6 minutes, sorry. And there is no more signs that we go any further, like I said before. So this is actually the Hanzo. I took 60, but it gave 80, and beautiful. And later on there was more moves, we saw that, but we're talking about the Hanzo now. So what is the special thing about the Hanzo today? I want to say that is instead of trying these attempts here, that one and that one, we saw that this one was still on -14 and the DAX was still on plus. So this attempt was the false one to take. This is not the one to take. You had to wait until you change here with the mums, and the green mums give us the okay to take that trade. Plus we had also a second HA yellow, and this was good enough for us to take that trade, and most of it did it. Look, La Pipi did 80. I took 60 from that trade. MT took 50 from that trade. Bravo, 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 and that's all we need. Thank you very much. I see you later in the room. Over and out.